So this facility was opened in February of 2020. We are now in a 14-bay shop. We had 14-foot ceilings in our old shop, so we barely could get equipment in and actually be able to work on it. With the new shop that we have 30 to 40-foot ceilings out there. We were moved here because of Consumers Energy, one of our bigger customers for the rental side. They are right here local to Jackson.
They provide power for everywhere around here. So they are a very, very large company and they spread throughout the whole state. It is crucial that they have the equipment that they need in a timely manner.
Our location is, I would say for Michigan, very prime in the company. When having Detroit 45 minutes down the road is huge. We have Chicago a couple hours away, so there's big metropolitan cities around us. We're a good hub to facilitate support for all the other branches in our area.
So the initial intent for this building was for upfit, but the demand from the customers caused us to focus mainly on service work.
When we got the call to, hey, we're gonna transition from upfit into service, we had techs that only worked on upfit. That's all they knew, a lot of them. And that's huge for me as service manager, seeing their growth and seeing their transition and knowing that they had the comfortability going, I know I was doing this and now I'm comfortable being a service tech.
Last year we moved to just service, so we had to kind of retrain some of our techs and myself because I used to just do upfit parts.
We lean on each other and we know we can lean on each other. No matter what the problem is.
I think my favorite thing about working at Custom Truck is the camaraderie.
You can go to anybody. Anybody helps anybody around here because ultimately we're trying to get these trucks out and get them right.
I think my favorite thing is the opportunities that we have.
There's always been plenty of room to grow.
I think what's kept me here for 5 years is definitely to see the company give back to employees, to improve training. I'm really proud of working for a company for 5 years and receiving an award showing my dedication to the company. Not a lot of places do stuff like this. Everyone else in the shop wants one now, so it's a goal to work towards.
My position is really cool because I get to interact with so many different people and share my ideas, just finding solutions and answers to problems.
One thing I really like is being able to function and test all the equipment, really get hands-on experience with every piece of equipment we offer. It's really awesome to know how it works and to be able to tell other people and show them how it works.
So in our parts team we have 6 people. We have 2 service, 1 field service, then we have Preston in the warehouse, and then Zach is up front doing over-the-counter parts.
The guy behind me working front counter parts, retail sales, has done over $1 million so far this year in front counter sales. So it's pretty amazing the work that he puts in.
I think my favorite thing about working in the warehouse is knowing that every single part that I'm processing in or sending out is working towards a goal of completion. If someone needs something, we make sure they get it.
We focus on a lot of high priorities, cranes, TMs, anything over 100-foot bucket trucks.
We do a lot of the crane refurbishes and 7-year inspections and teardowns to make sure those are running the way they need to.
We were asked to refurb the Elliot cranes. And it was a huge challenge, and we have our cranes here and we're now 2 years into it. We're refurbing it and making it reliable again. And that didn't come without its challenges. And that's the biggest thing at Jackson. We grow from all our struggles.
I think what makes Jackson special is the fact that we put so much effort into quality.
All the values here, we exercise them every day. But I think the biggest one for Jackson is driven to deliver.
I think engaging collaboratively speaks the most to me. There's a lot of different parts moving all at once in the shop, and I think we do a really good job at maintaining a sense of urgency when it comes to getting those jobs done, whether it be in the warehouse or the shop. There's no lack of communication when it comes to the different teams.
No matter what the task is or what the challenge is, it's always accepted with, okay, we're not going to fail, and we don't fail here at Jackson.